오, 너무 맛있다. So delicious. hot. Hello everybody, welcome to Bab's Home Cooking Channel. Today I will make a cream cheese cucumber sandwich. Yes, very long. And I will introduce the ingredients: cucumber and cream cheese and bread and black pepper and little salt. Yes, I will start to make. Yes, I will introduce our Bobby. Bobby, why? 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. 해봐. Bobby so sad. What's wrong? 왜? 어미. Okay, I will start to make. Yes, we make a slice. Nice cream cheese. Very nice smell. I like cream cheese very much. Put a little bit salt. Let's put black pepper. Ready? Wow, looks so very, very beautiful. Wow! Let's cut. Wow. Oh, wow. Very, very fresh smell. Looks very delicious. Thank you.